Today we're going to continue my series about PicLumen, and we're going to take a look at some of the more advanced features. But as I mentioned in my last video, PicLumen have added some subscription plans, and with this update also came some changes in the layout of the website. So let's start with taking a look at what actually has changed and what it means for you as a user. So let's move over to my computer, and we're gonna look at the breaking news, PicLumen subscription plan introduction. We are just gonna do a quick recall here. In the basic, which still is a free version, you get 10 daily free lumens, unlimited generation and relaxed mode. You can your images are saved up to 30 days. You get a commercial license, a maximum of 2 images generated per batch, and organized with collections including 500 images of cloud storage and no concurrent job. Standard, which is $10 a month. In addition to the basic plan, you get 1800 monthly lumens. Your history will not expire. You can generate 4 images per batch. You can queue up to 5 generations and generate 2 jobs concurrently. You can have up to 5,000 images of cloud storage. And third-party heavyweight models, for example, Flux One Dev is coming soon to this. An advanced feature like upscale, in-paint, expand, colorize, auto-translate and prompt enhance. And for the Pro version, which is $20 per month, you just get more monthly lumens, you get 50,000 images of cloud storage, you can queue up to 10 generations and generate 5 jobs concurrently. So here we are in the create page, and we're gonna start by going down to the bottom left here, where a few things have changed. We have our profile just as before. We have a subscribe button. If you are on the free, you can change your subscription from here. As you see, I am on standard. You can go to your dashboard, which shows how many images you have left. You see, I am almost up to the 1800. But one thing that's new here is you can buy more lumens. 500 more lumens for $1 and so forth. Under settings, you can define if you want to clear the prompt after you submit it, or if yes or no. Submit task used by clicking enter or control plus enter. Ask before deleting images, yes or no. Display corresponding prompts on the right side of generated images. Download image file type, you can have your preferred PNG or JPEG. And display image generation status in the title bar. I have, to make this easier to compare, here you see the images I have played around with, and on the right hand side here you see expand. You see here I did an in-paint, another expand, and an upscale. Removed background, so you have that information here. And let's take one of the images I haven't done anything with, and over here on the right hand side you have the prompt, negative prompts, which we will talk more about in the next video, all these settings. And let's say that I want to start with remix, and remix is a function. Let's see, here I am in my free account, so we can compare. And if you look here, remix is actually free even in the free account. So let's say that we will remix. What that means when I click the remix is that all the information that I have here, the prompt, all the settings, the seed number, the guidance score and resolution and everything is moved over to the new one I am creating. And I can do smaller changes here. A young girl dressed as a superhero with a red cape, but I might want to do it with a yellow cape instead. So it's using everything exactly the same. I just changed the cape from red to yellow. So we're sending that and going into create here. And this is something it has done several times for me now. I have sent this as a question to support. Pick up that girl again and look at the other ones. Remove background is one that is free as well. So let's click on remove background and see what happens. And here you go, it worked fine. Upscale is one that should work fine if you are on a paid plan. And here we have 1.25, 1.5, 1.75 or 2.0. We're gonna go with 1.5, and under redraw strength it says upscale redraw may fix hands or face problems, but the image may also be worse. The higher the intensity, the greater the effect of repainting and repair. Default value is 0.3. So we're gonna stay with the default and see what that makes, and I hope it will fix her wonky eyes here. Her eyes look somewhat better, but not as good as I wanted them. So let's see if we do that again. Go under more and under upscale, do 2.0 and increase to 0.5 and see if that makes it any better. It changed her face a little bit, but the eyes look much more realistic now. Little smaller eyes, but still looks very much like the same girl. This one I really liked. So that was upscale, and in this case to 2.0. Let's see if we can remix that one to a yellow cape. Nope, still doesn't work. Let's see what else we have here under more. Let's see what else we can do with this one. Under more we have in paint. Here we can erase. Down at the bottom we have the size of our brush that is erasing. And let's see, I have the pencil marked and I increase the size of my brush. I in paint the symbol she has here, and if I go too far, let's say that I made a mistake here, I can go back to erase and erase the parts that was too much and go back to drawing again and see if I can make this a little more precise. Okay, like that. And now I write what I want in that place, a heart symbol on her chest, and I submit that one. So here we go, it made an heart instead of that S that was there originally. We have one more function we want to do, two more we want to do. Colorize we can't do with this image, but we can expand it. So if If I want this to be a larger image, all I have to do is click expand, and I can drag, or I can choose 2 times, 1.5 times. If I choose 2 times here, I can then move the girl up to where I want her. And maybe I want more of the background here and the bottom of the image. So let's place her up in the left corner and click submit. And here we go. We got more of the building. We got more of her here with her jeans on and everything. To use the colorize, we're gonna go back to one of the ones we did during the drawing. It's the same girl, but we're picking this image. Here it was as an ink drawing. So under more, we go to colorize and colorful oil painting. That's what I want this to become from colorizing. And submit. So here we have her as a colorful oil painting. Let's try a different version as well. We use the same ink painting and we go to colorize, and this time we want it a watercolor in mostly red and orange hues with some blue accents, and submit. So here we have it, mostly red and orange hues, but some examples of blue, and it is most definitely watercolor. In my next video we will take a closer look under advanced settings. Guidance scale, steps, seeds, and negative prompts, and how we can use all those to our advantage. So there you have it, the different advanced settings we can use in the paid version and what you can use in the free version. And if you want to learn more about the advanced settings and how you can use them to your advantage, make sure you hit the subscribe button and maybe even the little bell so you get a notification when that video is up. Until next time, stay creative. Bye!